Hi guys, today I'm at Dyserth Waterfall. About 2 miles from where I live, so it's not a long walk, it's just up above the waterfall. You just see it there, and we'll go over the top and see how far we get up there. This is the car park, toilets here if needed. To get to Dyserth Waterfall, if you come from Rydlan, outside of Rhyl, then you can follow either of the two roads towards one signpost at Dyserth and one for Statin, and whichever one you come down, you'll eventually come to the turning for this. So if you follow the Dyserth road out from Rhyl, you'll come to the top of this road and turn left at the traffic lights and come down here, and you'll see the car park there. And if you're coming towards Prestatyn and Melodin from Rydlan, at the lights again, the crossroads, you'll turn right and you'll come along here, and this is where Dyserth Waterfall is. Not that much water in it at the moment because we haven't had loads of rain, but it's better than it was a few weeks ago. It's a bit of a flood risk around here. The white building in the distance is the new inn. That's been flooded a few times over the years. It's nice to sit down outside and have a pint there. So this is where we go to the waterfalls. I've just fallen off the path there. It's 50p to go through. So there's an honesty thing there. There's a shop that serves ice cream and a cafe there. So let's go and have a look at it. There you go guys, next to the cafe, where you put your 50p in. This goes towards the upkeep of the path, so worth doing. This is the Avon Fithian, the River Fithian, and it comes down, it meets another little stream coming into it, Fithian Assa, and eventually it goes down and it meets the River Clwyd near Rydlan. So that's that. There is the waterfall. That's a 70-foot drop, and I say it's not massive at the moment, but just a couple of weeks ago when we had the heat wave, it was a lot smaller than that. You see the rock pool it drops into. You can feel the spray from here, so not a bad little waterfall actually. 70-foot drop, 2 miles from where I live, and I haven't been for ages. So the river goes down, some picnic benches there. These two walls, it's most probably held a mill wheel at one time, and water would have been diverted somewhere to come down and drive the water wheel for the mills. Once we go up the steps, bit of a steep climb, but some great views at the top. Just follow the steps up. Yeah, that's where you go up the steps, quite a steep section. Start off down there, follow it around and come up. You see the River Fithian on its way down to the falls, and keep going up the steps. See the sea over there? So, Sky Tower in the distance, the church steeple is Rhyl. Great Orme in the distance, little Orme in front of it that you can't see. And this is the village of Dyserth. So yeah, a lot of people about today. Benches sit on at the top. There's the view. Woof, woof. When you come to the top by those benches, you come down here And this is where I'm making it up now. This is the old walkway. It joins the old railway track. Does this towards Prestatyn. So not sure which way I'm going to go yet. I'll ask for some help. Okay, so that one goes further into the village, so we're going to go left. And what I want to eventually get to is the mountain above Melodon, which gives a great all-round view. And well, the weather's nice. It'd just be nice to get that view in. So I'll follow this along and see where it gets to. Okay guys, you follow that path, you go through one kissing gate, you come to another one, and then you drop down onto a driveway, and just continue following it towards the right, I think. Beautiful day now, very warm. That's where I want to get to, where the hill is up there. Oh, old Mangle, Edward Hughes, Carnarvon. Nice garden ornament for someone now. Just following this lane now, see where we come out. Right, that's where we've just come from. You come to a junction here, I think. There's a path that goes straight on across there. I think this is a lane that goes from Dyserth up to the top of Brynii, which is where I want to go. So turn left, and I'm pretty sure I'm on that lane. That's where the old footpath goes down to join the old Dyserth railway walkway. But I'll head this way and see where they come out. And that is the old railway, now like a cycle route or a bridle way now. And the path we just passed goes down and joins it down there. So keep going. There we go. The good news is that that lane is exactly the lane I thought it was. So this is Brynii up here. And if we just turn left out of that lane and then cross the road, there's a car park there for people who want to go for a walk up the, I say mountain, it's a very small mountain, or a big hill, Fawr. So that's where we're heading up there. This is space to park if you want to come straight up here. And we're heading up that way. Yeah, we just come up, and that's where we're heading. About 7 million flies here. I don't like to exaggerate, there might be one or two out, but it feels like about 7 million after the moisture around your eyes and ears. But once we get up the top, the view is spectacular. Okay, I'm going this way. Oh, nice welcome breeze up here, as you can probably hear. Look at that. Have a proper look at once we get up to the summit of Fawr. There we go. Just follow the big grassy path, but there are a few different paths, but they all lead up here, so it doesn't matter which way you go. Not easy to get lost up here. And that's the summit's down. Say the breeze is up a bit, so excuse the sound quality on the camera. But you have a look at this view now when we get to the top. Stattin, Beaches Hotel in the distance, Lenova, Snowdonia, Caneddau, background. That's Dyserth over there where we've just come from. Back down the old quarry. Stunning view. That's a good view over Melodin. Literally near the edge. Spectacular. Gonna make my way back now. Okay, that's the same way back down. Just reading that's the National Trust that look after Fawr, and the limestone rock is quite important for some of the local wildlife, so it's been designated a site of scientific interest. Right, when you come back to the road here, if you want to make a circular walk, you can turn right and drop down, and there's a path through the woods further down it you can cut back across. Or, like I'm going to do, you can go back the same way, just cross the road, take the lane on the right, and back down the way we come. It's a beautiful house, that, isn't it? And that way it'll take you back to the main road, turn left for Trelawnyd to go towards the A55. But we'll go back the way we've come. There we go, that's the way we've come, back over the bridge. Hello. And when you come to the bench, there's a path on that side. We're turning right to go down back the way we came, back over towards Dyserth. First person I've seen on the lane. No fly tipping. Tell you what, there's enough flies around here, they should tip them. Okay, as you're going down this lane, just look out for the kissing gate on the left, and then we're back on the path. There we go. Back where we came down from the waterfall. I only walked straight past then. Back up this way. Now a bit quieter up here now. I'll sit down and admire the view for a minute. Look at that. A little bit more about the waterfall, which we'll see again in a minute. In the 1700s, the waterfall actually stopped flowing. There were a number of mills, cloth and flour mills above the waterfall, 7 just in the district of Dyserth. And each one of them opened up a leak to take the water from the river to the mills, and as a result the waterfall stopped flowing. In 1774 they had an important visitor from London, and they diverted the water back so you could see the waterfall, and then after, the water went back to the mills. In 1884, when the last of the mills closed, then the waterfall became as it is. You can see it now, and flowed again, and it's been a tourist attraction for over 100 years. That's, I say this time of year with the dry weather we've had, it's not spectacular, but in the winter it is. 70-foot drop. When it had some heavy rain, it thunders down that drop. I'll probably come back in the winter and have another look, but we'll make our way back down and have another look at it. Back down past the mill wall. Right. Oh, yeah. Can't work that way. So there we go. This waterfall. Been flowing like that since 1886. Now all I need is a nice green. Tunnel there. See where that goes. Another little waterfall. Okay, thanks for joining me on this one, and I'm off to Snowdonia in a couple of days, so not sure where I'm going to hit yet, but I'll put the video up when I've done it, and thanks for watching. Ice cream time.